Every single thing that you say on the phone is recorded.
I know that. So why would I be on it threatening people?
We'll find out. I think that you are continuing to threat to the public, even while being in jail.
I don't
want you to say anything. That's okay. We're going to find out because I'm going to have them pull all the records, pull all the phone calls, and we'll listen to everything.
Okay, but I can't call nobody. Literally nobody. So what? There's no TV in my tank. There's no nothing. What am I supposed to do?
All right, guys. Today we've got Judge Fleezer handling a 19-year-old defendant facing multiple aggravated assault charges, who, while sitting in jail, thought it was a smart idea to threaten the witnesses in his case. Bold move, but in Judge Fleezer's courtroom, there's zero tolerance for this kind of behavior. On top of that, this guy is complaining about not having his phone or a TV, basically acting like a big baby. This case is a perfect reminder of why witness intimidation is a serious offense that only adds to the trouble, especially in situations like this. What do you guys think about this one? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, let's dive in.
It's time to go play Fortnite. Let's go. Come on. Huh? Come on, man. I'm itching to go play.
Judge.
Whatever happened with Mr. Wiggins?
Mr. Wiggins has some bond conditions to not speak to the complaining witness in an ag assault with a deadly weapon and an ag assault family member. He then went to jail and called her twice and her mom.
I mean, what more can we do? Really?
Take the phone away.
Oh, yeah, that's a good point. We'll do it now.
He also called not only under his own name, but he also called under 3 other inmates' names.
Good morning, Mr. Wiggins.
What?
How's jail?
Cool.
It's come to my attention that you are violating the conditions that we set out in this court, flaunting it, and trying to get a hold of the complaining witnesses in these cases when we've told you not to. Go ahead.
Yes, Judge. The deputy called me this morning and said that the defendant has called the complaining witness twice and the mother of the complaining witness as well. The deputy told me that while listening to these phone calls, he heard the defendant say things such as, "This is how you take care of things," and that everybody violates their bond conditions and talks to the complainants in these cases. He also heard the defendant make statements saying that he was going to continue to violate bond, and once he gets out, he was going to hire an attorney, but he had previously learned that the defendant was indigent, and so he took this to mean that the defendant was going to commit other criminal acts to get money to hire an attorney.
Believe this? Not only is he threatening the witnesses in his own case, but he's also basically confessing to planning future crimes. How do you even manage to be this reckless? Honestly, this guy is just on another level, and I can't wait to see how Judge Fleezer reacts once the prosecutor lays it all out. But I want to hear from you. What do you think Judge Fleezer should do while he awaits trial? Personally, I don't know what else they could do besides taking his phone away, but if you have any other thoughts, let me know in the comments. All right, let's dive back in.
Can you please notify the other courts as well that are so that they know as well?
Yes, Judge. I just sent a full email to the felony prosecutor in case the deputy hadn't already alerted her. I just went ahead and did it. The deputy, again, is getting the transcripts for these calls, and that the defendant has been using 3 separate inmates' spin codes. That would be Jermaine Brown, Mark Diaz, and Dennis Compton.
Your privileges are hereby revoked. You are not allowed to use a jail phone at all from now on. Do you understand? I think that you are continuing to threat to the public even while being in jail. So your privileges to use the phones at all are hereby revoked.
Judge, I just,
She
again,
just told you.
Not even.
please stop.
So
And I just want to reiterate.
please go ahead.
He's
Yeah.
19. You are taking away his ability to communicate with his family.
But he's making additional threats allegedly, you know? Okay, we're going to get the records, but
Okay.
until I know that you're not a threat, I mean,
He's typing everything.
every single thing that you say on the phone is recorded.
I know that. So why would I be on it threatening people?
We'll find out. Because I'm going to ask you, could you mind please pulling all the records, getting all the phone calls, and we'll play them out here in court and we'll see. And if it's not, then I will gladly give you your phone privileges back. But there have deputies that have pinpointed you allegedly, you and using other people's spin numbers to make phone calls, to make continuing threats, and to further criminality if and when you.
Honestly, I feel bad for the defense attorney in this one. You can just see her struggling. She knows there's no real defense for intimidating a witness, but she still has to say something. Her best argument? Well, he's just 19 and needs to talk to his family. But let's be real, that's not going to hold up in court when this guy is out here threatening people while facing assault charges, especially when he's been running with gang members. At 19, you're definitely old enough to know better, especially when it comes to messing with the law. What do you guys think? Is the defense attorney's argument even valid, or should Judge Fleezer lay down the hammer? Let's get back to it.
What criminal?
I don't want you to say anything. That's okay. We're going to find out because I'm going to have them pull all the records, pull all the phone calls, and we'll listen to everything.
Judge, I will also say that the defendant told the complaining witness, this is about the ag assault involving the firearm, that when she got shot, the defendant said that's what happens when you hang out with gangsters.
So pull all that stuff, and all that stuff gets. So we need to figure out how, because it's a first for me as far as doing a revocation of privileges like that. As far as revoking phone privileges for inmates,
As far as I know, it has to be through a court order.
okay. I need to do whatever I can because it's apparently a problem now. So I guess I'll reach out to administration as well to figure out how, because it's a first for me.
Judge, just so we're all on the same page, Mr. Wiggins is obviously going back to the jail now. Even before that order is in place, you are instructing him now not to use the phone. So,
Oh.
So I didn't do it. That's so stupid.
well, we'll get the tapes and
Get it? We'll
Okay,
see.
good. Okay, but I can't call nobody. Literally nobody. So what? There's no TV in my tank. There's no nothing. What am I supposed to do?
It's jail.
What's the point?
Read a book.
There is no books. I read every book in there.
Yes.
Okay. I can't trust you to use a phone, Mr. Wiggins. You know what's happening. I have other deputies that have alerted us to what's going on. I can't. That's it. You got to know when you're in the jail, there are eyes all over you. It's like at a casino. You literally have eyes all over you at all times. You got to know that whatever you're doing is always being looked at.
Stay in bed. That's why I wasn't threatening nobody. I didn't say
he's
any.
typing everything
then-
you're saying.
Asking them
I
to pull it.
understand he's talking about I'm doing illegal things when I get out to hire a lawyer and all these other things. That's stupid. I never said anything about anything illegal. That's just
Exactly, Scream, ready to change. Sure, taking his phone away might stop him from threatening witnesses for now, but does that actually fix the bigger issue? I'm not so sure. This guy clearly isn't learning from his mistakes, and it's frustrating watching someone keep digging themselves into a deeper hole. At the end of the day, a person with multiple charges who continues making reckless decisions like this doesn't seem like they are on the path to turning things around. What do you guys think? Was Judge Fleezer too soft, or was there really nothing more that could be done? Let me know in the comments, and let's dive back in. The odds definitely aren't in his favor. The law doesn't play around, especially when it comes to witness intimidation. That's a serious crime that can tack on even more years to his sentence, and at this rate, it feels like he's setting himself up for a life behind bars. Do you guys think there's still a chance for him to turn things around, or is he too far gone? Let me know your thoughts on this court hearing in the comments. Was Judge Fleezer's decision fair, or would you have handled it differently? Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. I post every single day, and I appreciate all of you. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.